the correct answer. We have half closed interval 2 and 5. Union the element 2, you can close this interval here, it will be 2 and 5. Okay, we must add this point to this interval. The result will be closed interval 2 and 5. Question number 2. We have square root of 10 power 2 subtract by 8 power 2. 10 power 2 100 subtract by 8 power 2, it will be 64. 100 subtract by 64 equal 36. Square root of 36 equals 6. The solution set of the equation x product by x minus 1 equals 0 in R. We have two factors, the product of them equals 0, then the first equals 0, and most second x minus 1 equals 0, then the value of x here equal 1. We have two solutions here, 0 and 1. Number 4, 3a equal 8b. In the ratio between a and b equal space to space. We can find the ratio between a and b. We have a times 3 and b times 8. Then the ratio between a and b here 8 over 3. Product of streams equal product of means here 3 times a and b times 8. Next question number 5. If x product by y equal 5, then x will be 5 over y. We have verse inversely between x and y. Then y verse inversely with x. Next question. Number 6. If a regular die is thrown in once, then the probability of appearance an odd number we have 1, 3, and 5. Then the probability of this event A equal number of elements in A over number of space. We have 3 here over space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The result will be 1 over 2 half. Choose letter D about question number 6. Next question. Question number 2. Letter A. We have x equal 156 and y equal 245. Find x Cartesian product with y. Okay, x Cartesian product with y. Find x here equal y 5 and 6. Cartesian product by 2, 4, 5. You can write first here 1 with 2 and 5 with 4 and 6 with 5. And then draw with our diagram between two sets. We have x and y, x1 5 and 6, and y2 4 5. You can draw from 1 to 5 with 4, 6 with 5, the image, and then you can write the range, because we have here the function range 2 4 5. Okay, if we have the relation between x and y, the image will be next number here. Okay, but he don't write it, he write only represent an orthogram. Question letter B represents the graphically quantity of x equal x power 2 minus 1. We have this function of x equal x power 2 minus 1 as this interval from -2 to x to y, right? -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. -2 power 2, 4 minus 1 equal 3, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 1 -1, 1 minus 1 0, 4 minus 1 equal 3. Okay, then the vertex here 0 and -1, and this interval will be minimum. Then the vertex here 0 and -1, and x equal 0 here. It's line symmetry, and it will be minimum. The value of minimum, it will be -1. And you can draw it from 0 to -1 here, the vertex, and -1 with 0, and -2 with 3 here, 1, 2, 3, and then you can draw this curve here, and again negative 1 and 0. Okay, 1 and 0, 2 is 3, and then draw the curve. Okay, next example, question number 3, letter A. We have f of x was equal 4x plus m, and they give us f of 3 was equal 15. We can put in this function f of 3 will be equal 4 times 3 plus m. The result will be equal 15. Then 3 times 4, 12. 12 plus m equal 15. Then the value of m equal 3. Next question. If a over 2 was equal b over 3 equal c over 4 equal twice a minus b plus 5c over 3x. You want to find the value of x. We can use the lattice 2/8, meaning first term, first ratio here, product it by 2, and add to second ratio, product by negative 1, add to third ratio, product by 5, and then used the rule 2 times a, 2 times 2 equal 4, subtract by b, subtract by 3, plus 5 times c, plus 4 times 5 equal 20. 2a minus b plus 5c over 4 minus 3, 1 plus 1, 21 equal each one of the value. Okay, then we can comparing between the results here to find the value of what of x. 3x will be equal 21, then x will be 7. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. The result here, each one of the given or the given ratio. Okay, each one of the given ratios. Then we can quality between two results here, numerator equal numerator, then denominator equals the numerator, then 1 equal 3x, then x will be equal 7. Question number 4, letter A. We have y direct inversely with x when x equal 2 and y equals 3. You can write the relation y equal mx and m equals is the constant equals 0. Then he give us the value of here was 3 when the value of x was 2, then the constant equal 3 over 2, then the relation y equal 3 over 2x, and then he give us y equal 3. So first we want to find the relation. It's relation number 1 between y and x, and then he give x equals third. Want to find the value of y when x equals third. With x equals third here, then value equals 3 over 2, product by third, then y equal half. The value of y here, it will be 1 over 2. Okay, next question, letter B. If B is the middle proportional between A and C, then write A over B equal B over C equal M constant, then A will be Cm power 2 and B equal Cm. Okay, you want to prove that A power 2 plus P power 2 over P power 2 plus C power 2 equal A over C here. First, we can put A equal Cm power 2 here. All power 2, it will be C power 2 M power 4. B power 2 Cm, C power 2 M power 2 over P power 2, B equal Cm, C power 2 M power 2. Thus, c power 2. And then you can write the head-common factor between two terms here, c power 2 and m power 2 divided this term by this term. The result will be m power 2 plus 1, and here write c power 2 head-common factor between them. This term divided by c power 2, it will be m power 2, and c power 2 divided itself, it will be 1, cancel them. The result will be m power 2. And then to left hand side, root a equals c m power 2, and c here cancel c by c, and the result will be m power 2. The left hand side will be equal right hand side, then they are equality. Next question, x equal 1 3 5 and y equal 2 3 4 5 4 6. He give us the relation between a and b. A plus b equals 7, which a belonging to x and b belonging to y. We can find the relation between them. Put 1 plus 6 equals 7, and 3 plus 4 equals 7, and 5 plus 2 equals 7. And then he want to find what? Anything? Okay, the relation by in arithmetic draw, we called it arithmetic, x and y. X was 1 3 5 and y 2 4 2 3 4 6. 1 with 6, 3 with 4, 5 with 2. Okay, we can write the range. Image here 6 4 2. Okay, show its function because each element in x has only one image in y. Okay, right, rise with me. R is function because every element in x has only one image in y. Okay, and we know the range 2 and 4 and 6. Okay, you can find it by yourself. Draw the table and solve the mean and standard deviation by the table. Okay.